Hi, my name is Anantadi Ramansyah, and today I will give you a demonstration and presentation about my task in certification and competition. But first of all, let's thank to Almighty God, Allah Subhanahu wa Taala, because God's blessing we can do the certification and competition with a good condition. And also my special honor for Dr. Eng Imam Sutrisno STMT, and also my special grateful for the opportunity that has been given to us. And let's move into the project. Let's open the check. Oh, before we going into the project, let's overview the task before. Here is the task. There is a task about certification and competition from PNSP, and also there is the specification about the input address and the output address. And pay attention for the task. First, the operator are asked to the input the size of the cans in which between the regular size or the big size, and it will depends into the timer for the filler cans for the cocktails filler cans. And also if the size has been chosen, and also the operator can press the start button, and when the start button was pressed, both of the conveyor will be activated. And also after the before we going into the cans specification, I will tell you if every student for this task has give a different specification. In my specification, I got the 5 and the 7 seconds, and sorry, I forget. I will open my specification. I got the 5 and the 7 seconds for the filler time, in which between the big and the regular time. I got the big time for the filler is 5 seconds, and the regular size for the filler time is 7 seconds. And my counting limit is different too. My counting limit is 7, and it will be different every student for this task. Okay, back to the specification. After in my specification, after 7 cans are passed between first proximity, so both of the conveyor will be shutting down and process filler will be begin. Process filler is leading with this valve solenoid will be activated with the time limit is different. My time limit is 5 seconds for the regular size and 7 seconds for the big size. And after the filler time is end, and also the solenoid valve will be closed, and only the conveyor 2 will be activated. And also if the seconds proximity are counting until 7, so both of the conveyor will be activated again. And if I press the stop button, and the system will be shutting down like this. Okay, let's overview the CX programmer. Here is my CX programmer, and it is my human machine interface or CX designer. First of all, let's overview my specification that I tell you before. This is my specification that I tell to you. My big cans are got 5 seconds for the data timer, and my regular cans got 7 seconds for the data timer. Okay, let's simulate my program. You can press the Control Shift W for the start simulation, because we just run the simulation without the hardware. Okay, my specification has been run, and let's move into the CX designer. If you want to run the CX designer, press this button and pay attention for the connect to CX simulator. that simulation running in the background. Like I said before, because we will simulate without the hardware, I mean PLC, so we must to run the simulation with the PLC that's running in the background. Okay, here is my human machine interface was activated. Okay, first of all, this is my control panel. The control panel are available about start button, stop button, regular size and big size. And it is the cans, I mean the item. It is first confer and second confer, and it is the first proximity and the second proximity, and it's the counting value and the timer value. Okay, let's start. First, press the start button. Okay. After that, you must to choose. I mean, the operator will choose about the size of the cans, between the regular size or the big size. Take a short example. So we must to start with a regular size. Okay, 7 will be start, and the timer is about 5 seconds. Okay, 7. Oh, sorry, I forgot to press the start button again. Okay, 7 of 6, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1, and the filler will be begin for about 5 seconds, and the solenoid valve will be open, and also now the conveyor 2 are activated, and the 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, done. And I press the stop button and the system will be shutting down. So let's start about the big size. So first press the start button again and choose the big size. Okay, the system will be prepared for about the big size of the cans. So press the start again. Pay attention about the timer value. It is different with the first before, because it is timer value for the regular size. For the big size. Okay, press the proximity until 7, because my counting limit is 7. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, timer value will be, I mean solenoid proximity will solenoid valve will be activated, and time filler will be activated too, and convert 2 are activated. So let's say if the cans are passed between the proximity until 7 again. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's all of my demonstration. I hope it will be explained about my certification and competition task. And thank you for your attention, and goodbye.